Welcome to the video Filters, Sorting, Grouping. This video shows you how to modify the program's tables to hide or show columns, to increase or decrease their width, as well as how to sort, group, or filter the measurement tables, the WBS tables, and the measurement layers. We are going to apply all the above to the Measurements table. Click on the Measurements tab and select Export Measurements. This opens a special table that includes in columns all the measurement fields, even those that can't be seen in the Measurements table. You can adjust the column width by placing the mouse pointer on the right margin of the column header and dragging it left or right to decrease or increase the width, respectively. Alternatively, right-click on the header row and select Best Fit to automatically adjust the column width in the best possible way. In order to hide or show a column, right-click on the column header and select Column Chooser. The customization window appears in the bottom right corner of your screen. In order to hide a column, click and drag its header into the customization window. To make a column appear, you should select it in the customization window and drag it with your mouse to the desired position in the table. Alternatively, you can hide whichever column you want by right-clicking on its header and selecting Remove this column. To sort the table by a column, click on its header, and the table is modified so that the measurements are sorted by the column you have selected. With a second click, the sorting is reversed, for instance from ascending to descending order. Alternatively, you can sort the list by a column by right-clicking on its header and selecting Sort Ascending, Sort Descending. Moreover, you are able to group a table's content. To group measurements, drag a column header into the field above the headers. Repeat the same process with other columns to achieve a hierarchical tree structure, however complex you wish it to be. ExtrAXION also enables you to apply filters to the table's content, that is, to let only a subtotal of the list entries to appear. Filters are a great tool for narrowing down the export data according to relevance. For example, you can export all data that concern a certain subcontractor, or a specific floor, or a specific work item, or any other detail of your choice, or even a combination. When the mouse pointer is on a column's header, a filter symbol appears on its right side. Click on this symbol and select one of the entries in order to apply the filter, allowing you to see only the measurements with the same value in a specific field. In this example, we chose from the drawing list only the second floor drawing to be visible, and the table is filtered by this condition. To apply a more complex filter, select the Custom option. In the window that appears, enter the conditions you wish to apply to filter the data that's visible in the table. Set the first condition by selecting one of the operators available and entering or selecting from the list on the right the value for the condition you wish to apply. If you want, you can set a second condition. Notice that the filters are combined with AND or OR. When finished, click OK. Only the entries that meet the criteria you have entered are visible on the list. Notice that the criteria entered can be seen at the bottom of the window. To remove a filter you have applied, click on the X button, whereas to deactivate it, uncheck the box. The recently applied filters are saved until you close the program, and you can reactivate them by clicking on the arrow on the bottom and selecting them from the list. To further modify a filter, click on the Edit Filter button at the bottom right corner of the window. Alternatively, you can edit the filters used by right-clicking on the header row and selecting Filter Editor. In the window that appears, you are able to add more conditions and create complex filters for the column data. Click the plus Add key to enter a new condition. Click on the first field and select a condition from the list to create the filter you want. Select the condition operator and enter or choose from the list the value of the applied condition. Continue adding as many conditions as you wish. Notice that according to the applied condition, the operators change. The conditions are combined with and or. Click on the or to take a look at the available alternative options such as add group. Click either Apply to see the filter result in the main window without closing the filter editor, or OK if you have finished editing. For more information on extraction, you can browse our website www.alconsoft.com or contact us via email. You can also download our free trial version to get a glimpse of what extraction has to offer. Thank you.